So we are going to learn how to use the strategy of area model to help us multiply a multi-digit number. So let's say that we have 357 times 2. To do the area model, I take this factor and I break it up into place value, or expanded form. 300 plus 50 plus 7. Then I draw my boxes. I need 3 boxes because I have 3 digits. So 357. I took my place value, or my expanded form, and laid it across the top of the boxes. Here on this side we put our other factor, which is 2. Now I multiply 2 times 300. Don't get worried, it's really the same thing as 2 times 3, which is 6, and you have 2 zeros, so 600. Then we do 2 times 50, which again, you can do 2 times 5, which is 10, and stick the 0 on the back, 100. And then finally, you do 2 times 7, which is 14. So now what you do is you take these 3 boxes and add them together. 600 plus 100 makes 700. Then we do 700 plus 14 is 714. This means that 357 times 2 would be 714. Let's look at another example. Let's say that we have 23 times 45. So again, what I would do is start by drawing my boxes. This time I need another row because I have bigger numbers. So I'm going to put each number into expanded form. 20 plus 3, 40 plus 5. Across the top I'm going to put 20 and 3. And along the side I'm going to put 40 and 5. So we need to start by multiplying 20 times 40. Again, don't get worried. You can multiply the 4 times the 2, which gives me 8. And I have 2 zeros, so I put 2 zeros. Next, I need to multiply 40 times 3. Well, I know that 4 times 3 is 12, and I have 1 0, so I put it on the back, 120. Then I do 5 times 20. 5 times 2 is 10, and then I have 1 0, so I put it on the back. And then finally, I do 5 times 3, which is 15. So now I take these numbers and I add them together. I'm going to start with 800 plus 100 makes 900. 900 plus 120. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1020. Finally, I add 15. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. I bring down the 0 and the 1, leaving me with 1035. Let's look at one more example of using the area model. Let's say that we have 17 times 24. So I'm going to start by drawing 4 boxes. I'm going to put each number into expanded form. 10 plus 7, 20 plus 4. I'm going to write 10 and 7 on the top, and I'm going to write 20 and 4 along the side. Now what I do is I start by multiplying 20 times 10, but remember I can focus just on the 2 and the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and I have how many zeros? 2 zeros, so 200. Next, I'm going to multiply 20 times 7. Again, remember, I can just focus on the 7 and the 2, which makes 14. And I have how many zeros? 1. So 1 0, 140. Then I do 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. And finally, I'm going to do 4 times 7, which would be, that's correct, 28. So now what I need to do is take all of these numbers and add them together. I'm going to start with 200 plus 140. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then I'm going to add 40 to this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3. Then I'm going to add 28. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 2 makes 10. So I'm going to put 0 on the bottom. I'm going to carry my 1 to the top. 3 plus 1 makes 4. So 408. 17 times 24 is 408.